choose 5 cards, and he has to imagine 5 marked cards. So you give it a little mix, and you get him to choose 5 cards. So I'm going to spread through the cards, and just get a spectator to say stop somewhere, that card there, and he's going to imagine that these are 5 marked cards that the card shop would use. This is, of course, in the olden days when all sorts of things used to go on, and of course they still do in some places. Okay, so the spectator has chosen 5 cards, and he's imagining that these cards are marked on the back with a subtle mark. Okay, so this first card is going to locate one card in particular. So, for example, it's an 8, so I spell the word 8, E-I-G-H-T, and you get yourself a 10 of spades, which is not a bad card. Okay, now these 2 black 4s, they also are going to locate one card. For example, the 2 black 4s, they go into the middle, and what happens is these 2 black 4s, they also locate one card, and that card is a jack of spades, so that's another decent card. Now, this card, the 7 of spades, is also going to locate a card, and you get the spectator to say stop somewhere. So say stop somewhere, and they can, of course, they can say stop anywhere. So they say stop in there. I mean, they could stop there. I mean, they could actually stop anywhere at all. Stop there, or even near the top somewhere. Anyway, you push a card in, and you wait 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3 seconds, and then you spread. You see that the 7. If I now count 7 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that should be the Queen of Spades, which is another quite a decent card with those cards. Now the 2 is actually going to also, it's actually going to locate 2 cards because it is a 2. So you leave the 2 on the top and you give a shake, just like that, and the 2 jumps into the middle of the pack, and it doesn't just jump anywhere, it jumps in the middle in between 2 cards. On each side of these 2 cards is 1 card. That card there is an ace, and that card there is a king. So these 5 marked cards have located a royal flush in spades. Now you say to the spectator, did you see the mark in the beginning? And of course the spectator will say you didn't see the mark, but then you say to him, well, you didn't see the red backs on the back? There you go. As you're locating these cards, choosing these cards, did you notice the subtle marking on the back?
No, I didn't.
You didn't? Well, you didn't notice that they had red backs?